This video is not safe from flashing images, eye strain, fake gore/blood, and spoilers. You have been wearing my cubs.
There's nothing I can do about TikTok unsyncing my lip sync, I'm sorry.
What they want. Keep on running from those demons till you are exhausted. You could run to those angels.
But it keeps putting me in, God. The water's getting colder. Let me in your ocean swim. Out in California, I've been forced to swim. So hard to.
He's right. I am a murderer. But until 6 months ago, I was just an ordinary high school girl. Do you remember what we promised? We're not going to lose anyone else close to us again.
It's okay to just admit that you're jealous of me. Yeah, I heard you talk about me, that's the word on the street. Your sister has confessed to put your hands up. It's obvious I'm your number one.
Judging by how much you cry, it's like you're draining your eyes. Not in Candyland, I paid the entrance fee. Good thing no one tried to stop me through my self-injury spree. People, please, I miss you, come here. And oh, it's hard to see you when I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking I'm
What's confusing you is the nature of my game. Just as every cup is a criminal, and all the sinners say.
Never have I ever stole money out somebody's purse I was supposed to be so-called helping.
Bro, you know I did that though. You know I stole some money.
So maybe you should shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. You never shut your mouth. Honestly, I think it's kind of funny that you waste your breath talking about me. Got me feeling kind of special. This is what you're all about, girl.
Tell your sugar daddy all of your fears. Cry for me, darling. Let me taste the tears as they roll down your face onto the sand.
You want to be sexed up, abusive lesbians?
Fuck no.
Why not?
Cause you'd be doing all the abusing.
Oh, like what?
Just weird shit. You'd like put a cigarette out on my neck and lick the burn mark.
So you want to try?
I could change your life. You could be my wife. Could get into a fight.
You look pretty.
What did you say?
I said you look shitty. Good night, Denise.
He said it's all in your head, and I said so's everything, but he didn't get it. I thought he was a man, but he was just a little boy.
He wouldn't hurt me, would you, sweetheart?
See, I'm loaded like the dice, still I bet I'm about to Yahtzee. I need one valid reason not to end it all. Chemicals. That's a good point, so piggyback, where are my edibles? Mommy's medicine, I'm a congenital bitch, I'm sick of myself, I'm sicker than hell it goes. Night.
Because 7 minutes in heaven is all that I need when I get with it. 7 minutes in heaven, I hope the end that I'm not a virgin. 7 minutes in heaven is all that I need when I get with it.
Spill your drink with tonic gin, it's just American dream. So sip the gossip, drink till you choke. Sip the gossip, burn down your throat. You're not iconic, you are just like that mold. Don't act like you don't know.
I think the desolation is probably very fond of me.
That's blasphemy, that is.
Is it? Or maybe you just picked a bad god.
Am I weird? Yeah, but so what? Everybody's weird.
The only time I ever see her is when she's behind me in the mirror. Even from a distance I can hear her. I try to listen, but her whispers make my ears hurt.